TF2 Channel. Bryndis, Misko Keto, Bryndis running on keto, Keto Dieter, Keto, Nick Corbin, the keto lifter, the heavy truth, Erin on the keto, Chantalle keto/low carb, Keto Babe rocks, Keto couch potatoes, Kayla Keto, Kayla does keto, my Keto Journey, Michelle Rock, Keeping It Keto with Feliciannurse, Pearls of Wisdom and Food with Keto, Minimalist Keto, the Keto King a.k.a. the Banting Boss, Stephanie Keto Person, Dotwo Trot's Low Carb Living, Keto Evangelist, Go Keto with Casey, Fledge Fitness, Anaerobixx, Keto Karma, Keto Christina, GingerlyGinger Keto Diet and Low Carb Recipes, Caveman Keto, Siim Land, the Keto Diet Healthful Pursuit, Mindy Pelz, Cooking Keto with Kristie, Headbanger's Kitchen, Two Fit Ducks, Sten Ekberg, Keto Connect, Balls, Thomas DeLauer, Kendi, Berry, Dr. Eric Berg.
Hey guys, thank you so much for the support and likes and comments down below, and also thank you so much for watching, and I look forward to see you in the next video. Then take care, bye.